Flask is creating micro web frameworks in Python programming language. How to download install Flask dependencies applications. First one Python, second one VS Code IDE. Browser open, search box lo Python download, enter key press. Official link first section lo display python.org. Download Python, first link, mouse left click. Python redirectory official web page complete display. Download the latest version for Windows, default detected and display. Supporting OS Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS. Present Windows setup. Yellow color button. Download Python latest version 3.13.3. Click. Python -3.13.3 -amd64.exe. Setup file. Downloading process completed. File size 27.3 MB. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Downloads folder Python exe setup file display. Mouse right click. First option open click. Open file security warning window lo first button run click. Download folder minimize. Install Python latest version 3.13.3 64-bit supporting OS window display. Bottom side first option use admin privileges when installing py.exe. Left side box tick mark set. Mouse left click. Second option add python.exe to path auto creation in system environment variables. Left side box tick mark set. Mouse left click. Second option custom installation click. Optional features default features tick mark set. First button next click. Advanced options section lo first one install Python latest version 3.13. For all users tick mark set. Customize install location default installation path display in box. Local disk C program files newly created folder name Python 313. Second button install click. First button yes click. Setup progress installing Python related exe setup files and library. Wait until a few minutes until process completing. Setup was successful. Display close button click. Windows search box VS Code enter. First one Visual Studio Code select. Welcome page close. Python extension installation left side fifth icon extensions click. Type the extension name in search box Python. Second one Python extension select. Authorized Microsoft blue color button install click. Support for VS Code.dev. Welcome page close. Python installation completed extension. Extension pack internal plugins 7 blue color button install click. First button trust publisher and install click. Third extension code runner select. Code runner extension already installed disable button display. Page close. Left side first icon explorer icon click. Open folder blue color button click. Left side desktop option select. Second button new folder click. Enter the folder name. Delete key press. Flask app files. Enter key press. Bottom side first button select folder click. First button yes I trust the authors blue color button click. Welcome page close. Left side explorer window newly created folder display. Flask app files. Right side first icon new file click. Enter the file name charitech.py. Enter key press. Newly created file display charitech.extension py. Terminal menu click. First option new terminal select. Bottom side new terminal window default destination folder path display, local disk C, users, Charitech, desktop, Flask app files. Next, Python pip, successful installation verify checking process. Enter the Python text command, Python space version. Enter key press. Installed Python latest version 3.13.3. Second text command. Enter pip space version. Enter key press. Pip latest version 25.0.1. Complete info display. Right side default terminal PowerShell display. Right side down arrow click. Second option command prompt. Select create virtual environment. Enter the command Python space -m space -venv space environment name Flask _venv. Enter key press. Right side bottom section lo first button yes click. Explorer window lo created virtual environment folder display. Left side expand icon click. Next scripts left side expand icon click. Activate.bat. Change the directory cd space created virtual environment. Enter the name Flask _venv. / capital S scripts. Enter key press. Activate bat as the same enter here. Activate.bat. Enter key press. Install Flask command. Enter pip space install Flask. Enter key press. Flask downloading and installation process start. Successfully installed display. Flask app related simple script. Enter from space Flask space import space Flask. Enter key press. App is equal to Flask and return Charitech info Varangal. File menu click. Save option select. Terminal menu click. New terminal option select. Right side top section lo run code down arrow click. Second option run Python file click. Running on localhost link display. Follow link click. Address bar lo localhost display. Output Charitech info Varangal.